How to fix 0x800701E7 Xbox error code. 1. Check your network connection. And launch the test network connection option at the Profile and System Settings General Network Settings. 2. Power cycle your console. 3. Delete and re-add your Microsoft account. Path, Profile and System Settings account remove accounts option. 4. Delete the persistent cache. Path, Settings devices and connections Blu-ray. 5. Perform an offline system update. 6. Uninstall and reinstall the problematic game. 7. Factory reset your Xbox.